And 2, that seems to work. Good. Come on, baby, you can do it. Top live chat test. Good. Okay, that works. All right, Figma. Figma Life. No, actually, I can't use this browser. I've got to use another one. Right, I got to see hide. Does that work? It does. What I need a background image of Dennis from Jurassic Park. I need that GIF of him waving his finger going, "You didn't say the magic word." I need to find that. Sorry, I just got to bring up Alright, this is going to be a bit awkward. Okay, where are we looking at the moment? I think I need to look at my to-do list. Open tab in secondary view. Oh no, that's not what I want. Open a new window. Alright, there we go. There it is. App to do. Alright, match up day theme changes to latest night theme changes. Alright, can do. So that one is basically, so we'll close all this crap and have a look at our emulator. So we go into day mode. For starters, we got this error, which isn't good. The textiles are so different that it doesn't know how to interpolate between them, which is not a good thing. So yeah, clicking away fixes it, but obviously not ideal. And that's therefore done some bad things to everything else. So I think we need to start here, and the general surface color in day theme is a little bit too dark. So let's bring up our theme file. So we've got smart theme and we've got smart color. Right, they're the two that are going to determine this. I probably don't need the sidebar there. Probably don't even need the terminal right now. So we are going to you know what? I reckon we split right and chuck this in here, and that way we can side by side the dark theme and the light theme. I don't know why I chose to do the dark theme first, but whatever. That's fine. I'm sure there's a way you can do linked scrolling in VS Code. I wonder if that's a thing. I should really use my proper browser, my stream profile for this. Alright, so we can go VS Code linked scrolling. There is now an official editor action named View Toggle Locked. Scrolling across editors. Sync scroll. Oh. Toggle locked scrolling across editors. I mean, if this is a thing, this is going to be great. So we go command palette, toggle locked scrolling across editors. Oh, no way. That's sick. I don't know how, like, it's a bit weird, like, okay. Oh, that works. Okay, the only problem is, yeah, see, I'm on dark theme data. Okay, that's cool, that's cool. All right, happy with that, happy with that. Oh, I guess what happens is I can't go higher. But if I go here, it goes back. Okay, that actually works really well. I like that a lot. So we've got our dark theme on the left, we've got our light theme on the right. And basically, we need to match this up with any changes that I have made between the two. If there was a way to nudge the scroll, that would be great as well. I wonder if there's a toolbar thing for that. Official YouTube short. Toggle locked scrolling. VS Code toggle locked scrolling icon, maybe? Nah. Alright. That's fine. That's fine. We don't need it. What we do need is to try and see if we can it's like stacking up the indentation here. Okay, so we'll do that. We'll do the same. Let's go. That should be pretty spot on. Yeah. Okay. Good start. All right. Bottom sheet. Bottom nav bar. Service. Yeah. Okay. Scaffold background color. So scaffold background. I'm assuming, yeah, that must be this color here. Now, what is that in Figma? If we look at that, it is quite dark. Like, it's a bit darker than what it appears that I have here. So let's have a look at the color code. I know it's not going to be exactly the same, but it looks like it's that. F3, F4, F6. So if I go to smart color and search for that, F3, F4, F6. So we've got smart white. It's not really white though, is it? Because like we actually have brighter white than this. So I feel like I'm being a little gaslit here by, yeah, that's actually just plain white. So I don't know what I'm on about here. This is it's actually just white, so that makes it easier. So surface, so we go smart color, day color scheme. Surface is smart white shade 500. On surface is smart gray. On primary container, surface container smart white shade 50. So what have I got the background color set to? I've got it set to surface, and surface is smart white, shade 50. Now I don't know where shade 50 is coming from, because it should just be smart white. Like, there should be no adjustments there whatsoever. It should just be bog standard, unchanged smart white. And now if I go surface and I just make that pure white, it's probably going to screw everything up, but that's okay. Let's have a look. Base surface color, backgrounds and low emphasis, background containers. As long as the semantics are correct, it doesn't matter. Failed. Okay. It's interesting. Maybe I should have the debug thing up. Okay, so we're basically inverted. We're basically around the wrong way here, I think. Yeah. Although something about this doesn't feel right. It feels like it is backwards to nighttime. So if I bring up the things here, oh no, okay, that is backwards. That's good. So that means all I have to do is swap those around, hopefully. Surface container, smart white. And we'll make that shade 50. Well, we'll keep it at shade 100. I don't want to... Let's change one thing at a time here. Oh, that didn't work. So surface container low. No, so this is interesting because it looks like that's... does all sorts of weird things. So this app bar is correct. And the background actually doesn't look bad either. It's these cards here that I'm not very happy about. So let's have a look. There might be a card theme, I think, that we need to look into. It might be using the wrong color, but I think the base is okay there. See what that looks like. That looks good. That all looks really good, actually. That all looks pretty close to what we're after. I think the dividers are too dark still. Yeah, the dividers are a bit too dark, and they're not supposed to go full width either, apparently. I'm not sure if I can even... not sure I can actually... Oh, I can do it. You can do a divider. These are generated with the list, so... I can actually pad these. Alright, but yeah, the divider line definitely looks too dark, so we will fix that. But all that looks alright. Happy days. Okay. So these cards are a bit annoying, that we haven't managed to fix that yet. So let's figure out what is going on. Now it looks like our scrolling got a little out of whack here as well, which is annoying, but that's okay. At least we're in the same ballpark, I guess. Bottom nav theme, that's all good. We got surface container. Okay, yeah, cool. Color scheme. See, I don't know why this is right at the bottom. I think we should have these at the top. It makes more sense for developer reasons. And I'm not sure, like, and font family even, I think that font family, text theme, makes sense to sort of be grouped together, I think. I don't think there's anything else in here like that, is there? Date picker, chip theme, no there's not. Okay, so all good. All good. It would be kind of nice to have these in alphabetical order, I suppose. So we could look at doing that. So, scaffold, background color. Now, bottom app bar theme. We've got bottom navigation bar theme. I don't even think we use that. I don't even think that's a thing. Or we do use that and not the bottom app bar. Maybe that's what we don't use. Bottom app bar theme. Let's do a bit of a search for bottom app bar. Yeah. Okay, so we use it in both places, so we can just get rid of it, I think. Bottom app bar. See you later. Scaffold backgrounds. We have surface. See, this is surface dim, but that's okay. I'm not gonna fluff around with the night theme because, well, actually, you know what? Maybe if I change that to surface dim, it didn't really change anything. It's okay. List tile is what we want. That's surface, I think. Yeah, they did look good. It was the dividers that went right. So we go progress indicator theme. That's an interesting one. So what do we got at the moment? It's quite dark, so I think we're just lightening that up a bit, huh? Is that what we're doing? No? Actually looks... Or maybe we're darkening it up. Maybe that's... Do we have a progress indicator theme in here? I think it's only in the one place, so... I mean, we might as well specify it, make sure it's the same, so... on surface variant... Looks about the same to me, but that's fine. Divider color. Here we go. So if we just change this to outline, let's open up the thing here and save and see what that does. Does that do anything? Kind of hard to tell. The only other issue is it might be the oh no, it's not preferences screen, it's account main menu screen. It might be specified. So we got this divide type 1 pixel border list tile. Okay, so what I need is I actually need to change this from a list tile divide. Color. Yeah, so if I get rid of that and then we go into... Okay, well this isn't going to work anyway. I actually need to replace this with a if there was some way to have a builder. So what we need is a list view, and we can make a list view with a builder. And we don't want it to scroll, so we can change the scroll physics to never... I hate how it does that. Never scrollable physics. And that way it won't come up as a scroll view. And then we can go we can go shrink wrap true, we can go builder, item builder, and there's a nice easy way to do this. If you've just got a list of tiles, you just use that first option there and feed it, and it returns an array of list tiles. And basically what we want to do is access the index of that list tile, and then we don't need this to list anymore. Okay. So we don't need the column anymore either, so I can just go... I can't go remove widget. Okay, fair enough. So we'll just go like this. Do it manually, and we should have an extra bracket down the bottom there. Item builder, and then we should have the separated. That's the one that I wanted. So we need the divider builder. What is it? Separator builder. Okay, we'll get AI to sketch that in for us. Height and theme. List view separated. Item count is required. Okay, well this is a bit of a pain because I've just done this in the wrong place, but that's okay. It's a bit dumb. What have I got all these things here for? Oh, that's right. This is to do implement account details. That's for a future self. Future self. Okay. So consider specifying item count, but you have to. It's required, yeah? It is. I mean, I wonder if it's not required if you've got certain... I don't know. Anyway, I'll save that and see if it restarts, alright? Definitely not working right. Now, what the heck happened there? What are we in here? We're in a material view. I wonder if I even need that, you know? Let's just go remove widget. It's a bit weird, eh? Content padding is fine. We're inside a container, which is inside of... Oh god, it's inside of a lot of scroll views. Nested scrolling is just like the world's funnest thing. Okay. Oh, this is the shrink wrap thing now, because that's going to mean it's going to complain. It's going to go, oh. Okay. It's not doing what I thought it would do. Oh yeah, has size. No, it did complain about that. Just didn't throw up one of those big red error things that it usually does. That's weird that it's pushing it out. I would have thought that would. I mean, separated. Let's see if So there should be padding. Should be no padding. I mean, maybe I need to specify that. Maybe I need to say no padding. Yeah. Why? I don't know. I actually don't know. Alright, so, now, the item here, list tile, do we have, we have a shape. We can go shape. Rounded rectangle. Beautiful. Okay, that worked. Now, it looks like the background color is off on that as well. So, we need to fix that. Now, I believe in my smart theme here, list tile theme, color scheme, we actually want not that color. We want surfaces smart gray shade 900. So this should just be, it is just surface. So I mean, maybe that looks way more accurate to that. Ah, okay, it's this material thing again, right? We've got to draw on a piece of material still. So I need to, this is weird. I gotta admit, I still haven't completely got my head around the whole when you need material and when you don't. I'm pretty sure it's something to do with, I don't know, the bottom sheet doesn't actually have, each of these pages needs its own piece of material to draw on, and at the moment a custom scroll view and all of this actually doesn't have any inherent material that it draws on. So I think what I need is yeah, that doesn't look right at all. I think what I need to do is wrap maybe even the custom scroll view in material. Just do that to see what happens. Yeah. So we're going to go surface container. Color scheme. Surface container. Yeah. Alright. So that fixes that little rendering problem, but this still isn't right, and this scrolling is weird. I don't like it. I do not like it. This is bouncing scroll physics. What scroll physics do we even have in this thing? Scroll behavior, physics, bouncing. See, that allows overscroll, but it's like, I don't know if I like it, you know? What's another one? We got range, maintaining scroll physics. See, that does a little stretch. There's a little stretchy stretch, which makes that thing render weird, because that in itself is a scrolling list, even though I've got no scrolling physics on there, it's like reading from its parent controller that should stretch. So that's a problem. Ugh, God. Okay. Carousel. What about fixed extent? Clamping. Prevents the scroll offset from exceeding the bounds of the content. Yeah, I know that. Scroll physics. Fixed extent. It creates scroll physics that always lands on items. Yeah, doesn't stop that happening at all. They use the fixed extent scroll controller. Oh, right. Yeah, okay, right, fair enough. I don't actually have a scroll controller defined for this, so... You know what? Yeah, this is a real pain. It's the little things that catch you sometimes. It's so annoying. I wonder if I changed the scroll physics for this, if it would be different. Const. Like, if I went clamping scroll physics like that. I doubt it. This is like, nah, see, yeah, it lets you scroll in that, so. It's definitely not what I want. We want... Parent, scroll physics, parent. Scroll controller. I think automatically it uses the scroll controller of the parent. It is legal for item builder to return null. List. I want a separated something. Like something with a separated function, but I don't want it scrollable. Sliver list, page list view, page sliver list. See none of these. Flip behavior, hard edge. Scroll physics. Axis. I mean, okay. I know how to hack this. This is bad. This is bad. But it might just work. Dang it. Knew it. And it doesn't even stop it doing that. Okay. Hacks never work. What about reverse physics? Okay, we could Google this. This is starting to waste a bit of time here, so wasting too much time. Okay. Flutter. List view. Stop. Stretch with parent. Scroll. Disable? Yes, there we go. Stretching over scroll indicator. We need to wrap the list view builder inside notification listener over scroll indicator. Disallow indicator, return true. Okay, that makes sense. I remember this thing, notification listener. We can do that. It's worth it. It's worth it. Wrap with widget. We want this widget to be called a... Wait, did I select the right thing? Wrap with widget? Yeah, there we go. Notification listener. And we want it of type overscroll. Indicator notification. And then we are going to go on notification. Disallow indicator. And it still doesn't work, you little poop. Okay, well, actually, this might be a bool. It's too late to call. Yeah, I think I need to restart this, at least remount this view for it to work. Return true to cancel the notification bubbling. Okay. Disallow indicator. Alright, well, let's see. I mean, let's see if remounting that view just does anything. No. Okay, let's restart the app then. It's bizarre. It's almost like it's not that. It's like it's... okay, I wonder if I move the material down the tree a little bit. Ugh. Let's just go remove. See what we got without it. Okay. And then I highly doubt this is the case either, so never know why I'm trying it, but over scroll. See, that's like it's doing it for the parent. This is actually the fact that it's stretching that we got this rendering issue. Yeah, it's almost like this needs its... I don't think that's a good idea. Pain on the butt. These things should be easy. I mean, I could just go the full manual way. Might be like boxing myself into a corner doing it like this. So I'm going material, shape, organizations. Right, so I'm actually applying, this is weird, I'm actually applying the rounded border over the top of the list itself. And that works. That's weird. That's weird. I can't fully explain that, which I don't like. but it works, and it gives us the correct color. Material type transparency. A transparent piece of material that draws ink splashes and highlights. While the material metaphor describes child widgets as printed on the material itself and do not hide ink effects, in practice, the material widget draws child widgets on top of the ink effects. A material with type transparency can be placed on top of opaque widgets to show ink effects on top of them. Preferred using ink widget for showing ink effects on top, but this isn't to do with Alright, well, this has left me thoroughly confused. I mean, in a way, I'm actually not bothered, because I think this will fix the problem that I have immediately, but I would like to learn exactly what's going on here one day. I've got an inkling, but I don't have a solid grasp on it. Sliver to box adapter, so we've got more down the bottom there. We got this list tile, we got this divide tiles again, so I guess we need to do the same thing. We need to change this into a list view dot separated. And we will return the list tiles out of that. Get rid of that. And we need the index of the list tile that we want back. And then we want the separator builder. Let AI do that for me. Thank you very much. The AI is sitting there like, come on, man. I can do so much more than this. Just let me go. Like, list view separated. And we're going to go item count 1. Okay. Oh, that's not good. And we need shrink wrap to be true as well. So shrink wrap means it is going to pull the scroll view, squish it up to only be as big as its content. And then we're going to go physics, never scrollable, because we don't want that weird movement. There we go. Alright, so now this thing here, which is actually a widget, and it's reused in multiple places, so this should be safe to do. We need to adjust this actual widget itself. So we've got, again, the same problem here. So we are going to Alright, so basically this isn't a provider, so while we're waiting for the organizations to load, we've got the circular loading indicator, and then we've got error if we can't load them, otherwise we get data on organizations. So we can rely on the count of organizations here just fine. So we're going to get rid of this column for starters. We're going to get rid of this to list. We're going to change this to a list view separated. We're going to get rid of that, and we're going to go item builder, and that item builder is going to context index, and it's going to return right. So there's a couple of ways to do this. We could just access organizations. Yeah, so I think that's actually what we do. So I think we get rid of this. Okay, I think we need an actual function here, so let's change that to an actual function. Yeah, we're going to delete that and we're going to go return the item after we get the organization's index. The operator isn't defined for that, so element at index, and that is pretty much the change in logic needed for that, I think. So now we need the separator builder, we need the item count, and we need the physics, and we also want shrink wrap. Beautiful. Now, that last one, we don't have a rounded bottom on it for some reason. I'm not sure why. That might just be a quirk of rendering. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh. Enter organization button, list tile widget. Okay, so let's go another layer deeper and see what this is. List tile, rounded rectangle border, top, bottom, first or last. Okay, so last isn't working, apparently. Huh. Print last. Oh, I don't need that. So it's never saying true, which isn't a good thing. I do wonder if we need a key. I mean, that's really only important if you're adding or removing elements. So element at 0 is equivalent to iterable first. Last organization's last. Well, let's print this out for debugging. Print. And then we'll go print organizations.last and organizations.length. Let's see what happens. Let's clear the console and see what the deal is here. Let's go back. Right, so we've got 5. And we do indeed have 5. We've got Smarty Pants, UNSW, Hawke's Bay, Ardmore. Instance of organization entity. So I need the name of that one, actually. Thank you very much. So the last one is Ardmore Flying School. 43984398. So there's something about the equivalence something about the equivalence which is not working. I mean, organization entity. I mean, maybe it's the fact that I'm doing it this way. I'm assigning it to a new variable. So this is actually a new object. I don't think it's a pointer. Maybe. Yeah, maybe that's the way, because I'm not actually iterating through it. I'm kind of pulling out the object, so it is a bit different the way it accesses it. So, alright, well, in that case, we need to compare in a different way. I could create my own comparison logic on the organization model, but that sounds like a lot of work, so I'm just going to instead compare by ID. And problem solved. Great. Fantastic. Love it. Love it when we solve our problems like that. Okay, so divider. Now I believe we can go width end indent. So let's just see if this works. End indent. Let's just put in 24. And that is from the right hand side, and then we can go indent 24. It should be from the start, and then we so how do you change the color of that though? That's a bit bizarre because it's white currently. It's the same color as, but I want the color, the actual type, I want the color, the color of the list tile, not the background. So perhaps then what I need to do is make this a container. I'm sure there's a cheaper way than making a container. Flutter colored box without container. Colored box. Oh, well, there you go. Colored box, size box. Colored box. Well, would you look at that? A widget that paints this area with a specified color, then draws its child on top of that color. Sounds like pretty much what I want, yeah? So we are going to go wrap with widget. We're going to call it colored box. And the color is going to be, I don't think surface is the color that we actually want. And maybe it is. Okay, great. And let's change the height of the divider to 0.5. Let's go full pixels, but let's change the let's let the theme dictate the colors of the dividers here. So we'll go smart theme, we'll go light color scheme. We had a divider color, here we go. Day color scheme dot. So let's just go crazy. I need to get rid of all that debugging code. I thought I did. Organization select to list widget. Is there print anywhere around here? No. Where the hell is that coming from? Oh, I might need to reload actually. So what do you got? Some stuck things in there, which is throwing me off. Oh no, there we go. My bad. I was looking at the wrong thing. Select to list widget. Enter organization button. So this is the tile itself. So okay, that's better. Now, if this was working, yeah, I should be able to change that and have it change there, but it's not for some reason inheriting the divider color. I don't know why. Okay, but that's looking a bit better though. So the divider color. Why is it not inheriting? I'm just gonna theme dot color scheme dot no theme dot divide color. Let's print that out and see what happens. Oh. Am I gonna get a... Is it actually gonna do it for me or not? Color. Alpha 1, red 0. So it's a really bright blue and... Yeah, okay, so... Well, I mean, maybe what I need to do then is just go color theme divider color. Yeah. Alright. Well. It's kind of annoying that it doesn't immediately... It doesn't just do that. What about outline? Is outline lighter or darker? It's darker. Surface container low. On surface? Maybe? No, that's real dark. It's, yeah. Okay, I need to think about this a bit more. I'm kind of just fluffing around dark. Now hang on, he's got the line actually going right to the right hand side there. Is that what we want? Apparently so. Okay, I can do that. Flutter can do that, I should say, not me. I'm just a monkey typing on a keyboard. So we need the divider. So this is okay. I think what I need to do, I need to separate this divider out into its own widget actually, because I'm using it anywhere I've got these list views, and it just seems like a waste of time. Smart navigation bar. No, we don't want that. We want widgets. We just want this general crap. Theme. I mean, is it a widget? It is a widget. I mean, it is a widget technically. So we go list item divider. What are we going to call it? New file. We'll call it menu list tile divider widget. There we go. And we'll make this a stateless widget. Build. Yep. Yeah. 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 Menus that use list view dot separated as the widget to return from the separator builder method. All back. And so really then I only need to change in one place. So we go separator builder, and we are just going to return back the menu list. It takes so, like, this is the only thing I hate about my DevBox setup that I've got at the moment. It takes so long to index new things that I've created. It's annoying. I'm gonna have to manually import that. Ugh, gross. Widget slash, it's called again, menu list tile divider widget dot dart. There we go. Right, and now we go here and we're going to go on surface variant. Do that again. Okay, good. So that's working. List view separated, separator builder. That's good. That's working. That's account main menu screen. So that's this in general. We have got, so the separator builder as well. We use here, so I can just replace that with that one. And then in the organization selector list, we can do the thing here. And basically, I want to steal that. I want to replace this with menu list tile divider widget, which still isn't importing for some stupid reason. I don't know why. Swap that out for that. That should now... No, it's not going to work because this isn't imported, so... Let's import it. Let's go copy. Let's go paste. Boom. Really got to fix that. Another day. Another day. It's always another day. When am I going to fix it? Another day. It's fine. Color theme dot, wait, Divider theme. Okay, divider theme data. Divider theme data. Color. Oh, boom. Actually worked. I think. Did it? I don't know. No, it's not working. Thank God. Oh, okay. I think it's because I've actually overridden it. In here. No, I haven't. Yes, I have. There we go. Boom. That's it. Goodness me. Okay, so I can get rid of theme in here, which means... Okay. Colored box. Divider theme. Smart theme. Okay, so now we have the chance to... Wow. Oh, night color scheme. This should be day color scheme. We've got to resync our scrolling here. It's way off. Progress indicator. That'll do. Divider. So divider theme. So we've got this outline variant. Let's see what outline variant ends up like. That's not bad, actually. That's pretty good. I think that's exactly what I'm looking for. I think. Without looking at the Figma, it looks better than it did before. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Alright, and then we also wanted to get rid of this end. Oh no, we wanted the indent but not the end indent. Like that. Okay. That's good. Yeah, it's 420. Damn it. I feel like the padding's too much. I don't know, am I imagining that? No, I think it is. I think it is a little bit too much. Yeah. How's this is getting so out of sync all of the time, and it's kind of annoying. Alright, what do we need to keep and what don't we need to keep? I'm pretty sure we've got this account menu all sus now, which is good. Okay, we need to continue on with this. We need to continue on with our matching of themes here. So, progress indicator. Done. Divider. Divider, that's right. So this needs, we actually need to replace something in the night theme now, which is cool. So we'll go night color scheme. Save that bad boy. And go back to lock scrolling again. Checkbox theme. Checkboxes we're happy with. That's all well and good. Fill color. Looking good there. Switch theme. Alright, so here where we diverge a bit with some of these buttons. So remember that elevator button theme. So we need this whole thing. We need this elevated button. Which is why my sign-in screen looked so weird before. I thought it was something more serious than that. Alright, so let's go day color scheme. And I should be able to see that if I log out. I'm not sure of any other places that I've got one of those buttons. I'm pretty sure I have to log out for that. Ah, there we go. It's perfect. No, I won't have the password still. Just briefly hide my screen for that. Cool. Verification code I'm not too worried about because it's ephemeral. I'll wait for a new one to pop up. Nice. Yeah, okay, good. So that's fixed that screen as well. So now we can go in here and we are all good. What happens if I change to dark mode? It looks all good. Light. Sweet. Okay. Continuing right along. I really need a keyboard shortcut for that. Linked scrolling. So elevated button theme, we are sorted. Text button theme. We are sorted. Let's go build button. So this looks different. Something looks different here. We've got foreground and background color, but we've defined the style, which I don't think we want to do. Where do I actually use a filled button, though? I couldn't tell you. Not there. What about on the agenda? These. Yeah. Alright. So now we've got, oh man, we've got a whole bunch of stuff here. This is painful. Drop down menu. So we've got this input decoration. Which goes before there. With the input decoration, I guess the only thing I'm really going to do here is go to day color scheme. And to see what inputs look like, I need to log out again. Damn, that's annoying. I mean, I could just make an input, but I'll just log out. See it on the actual screens. Okay, here we go. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the Figma. Log in and compare. That looks pretty good. I don't see anything too crazy there. I should probably color the cursor as well. I wonder if we color that hyper blue. I think that'd be input decoration theme. I think there's a cursor color. Active indicator. I thought there was a cursor. Am I missing? Icon. Okay. That's not the password, I can tell you that. What have I got in here? Oh, this is just Figma anyway, so I might as well just pull off a new tab. I don't need to hide my screen every time. Alright, so it looks like that was okay. Is there a way... In your material app, you can change the selection handle color for the text selection theme data. Okay, so that's what I want for both. So like I want that here. Text selection theme, text selection theme data, cursor color, smart color dot k hyper blue. I'm just going to copy and paste that. Yeah, it's near the text button. Theme. Why did I put it there? Input decoration. I think it belongs with the input decoration. Does it? I don't know. I don't even know if I have anything that I can select, to be completely honest. What about the EULA? No, this is all selection disabled, so... Okay. Changi log. Oh. Oh, it must be getting towards the end of the day if I'm yawning like that. Okay. I mean, gotta go back to Figma. Do we have an example of a flashing cursor? No, we don't. Do I do another logout? Yeah, why not? Gotta do this. Oh, yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Actually like that. Okay. So in that case, we can go text selection theme. Let's just play around with this a little bit more before we lock it off. Text selection theme. So we want to go selection handle color. Handle color, we want the same. And we want the selection color with opacity. Use with values to avoid precision loss. With values alpha double. Create a color with alpha 0.5. Yeah, okay, so we actually want 0.3. Oh yeah, that's nice. Perfect. Love it. Very good, very good. Excellent. Happy with that. So we'll paste Rooney that in there. We'll go verify. So that means that this these cursors in here should be different too. 3 0. Oh, maybe not. 3 2 0 9. Enter Air Hawke's Bay. Right, great. There we go. So switch, elevated button, text button, build button, text selection theme needs to be the same. Then we've got input decoration theme. And that was all good. I was happy with that. We've got drop down menu, which is okay. Segmented button. Pretty sure it's actually not a segmented button in the Figma, but I'm just ignoring that for now because I don't want to have to make my own button groups and stuff. But the colors are the same, so that's fine. Background color. So now what's different here? I've got this padding. And why have I got light theme data? Oh, yeah, okay, because I'm doing a copy with. So that must bring across the padding as well. So, okay, yeah, so I've only, that's weird that I've done it for that one, but for no others. I'm almost keen to get rid of that. Okay, well, anyway, date picker theme. I'm pretty sure I had a note about the date picker theme. At the year selection. Date picker year selection background color. Something. Agenda. Date picker year selection background color incorrect. So we're gonna actually solve that one now. These are going to be a little different between day and night, and I think that's okay. It's part of the good reason of separating it like this instead of just doing copies and stuff is like, for this sort of thing, yeah, I don't know. I just find it easier to have them separate, even though yeah, there's a lot of duplication in the code there. It's like, something like theming, it's just nice to be able to go day, boom, there, done. Yeah, like, I don't know. Without these flow-on effects, like if you change a shared value, it like cascades through the day and night and changes everything without, like, this is really precise control, being able to do it this way. It looks like we're at the bottom. So we've got chip theme, and I think we're happy. I think that's all good. I think we can now fix the issue with the year. So let's do that. To do that, we need to go to the agenda to see what we're actually looking at. And we want to bring up the calendar, which is there. And we want to change the year. Okay, so what is that going to be? Today border black. Black. Today foreground color. So that must be that. That must be like so there must be a day foreground color. There must be a year. There we go. Year foreground color. Year background color. So let's just change that to black and see what happens. Oh, it's got to be a widget state color. Widget state property all, and we're just going to go colors dot black. See what happens. Yep. No. Well, widget state color resolve with. Actually, we want not white. We want. What if we set transparent? Oh, hang on. Wait. What? Oh, I just changed the wrong thing. I did just change wrong. Wait. No, four. Okay. Okay, I'm gaslighting myself here. There, that's good. So now we can go like that. Now I've broken something else. Okay, save. This should fix it. Yeah, there we go. Alright. I think we're good. I think we're good. Yeah, nice. I wonder if I shouldn't use black though. I should probably use like smart color dot smart gray dot shade 900 or something like that. Oh, that's very overly subtle to pick up. Oh no, it's probably because... Huh? I just, what if I just say smart grey? Oh, this is, I'm doing year. That's why. Well, there it is. There. Smart grey. Dot. Shade 900. I mean, it's close enough to black to just make it black anyway, isn't it? Day foreground color. All right. Well, that's good. That's sorted. So we can tick that off the to-do list. So we can go match up day theme to latest night theme changes. And we can fix that one as well. We can drag that down to the bottom of that list. We can drag that one down to the done pile. Okay, general surface color and day theme. The whiter surface is a little bit too dark. Okay, so for starters, the agenda view. Yes, so we've got this card view problem. So I think we need to go sort out this agenda first. So we'll go agenda, day, timeline, sliver widget. Hope I'm still on the same YouTube playlist I am. Alright. Now to figure out where I actually specify the surface color. Must be this. So if I went like surface container, that's what I want. But does that work for night? Like, what does that look like at night? What is the agenda supposed to look like at night? I might need to toggle this based on the theme. Although I don't have night mode. I don't have a night mode reference for the agenda. I might have to use my best judgment, which I don't like sometimes, because my best judgment isn't always. So in day, the agenda is a different color to the header. So I think in night it should be the same. I think this is okay. I think we'll roll with this for now, and I can get feedback on it later. Right. What are we doing? Surface container. Yeah, that actually, something about that I think works better for me. So now if we go preferences, light. Now on our Figma here, we actually have a dividing line on the nav bar. Is that persistent everywhere? It is. Okay. So we need to amend that. That looks great. That looks fine. The background lines are not correct. That's all good. Okay, so yeah, we need a dividing line on there. Home. Okay. So agenda. The border lines on the agenda are too dark. All right.
Discovery's core computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
So it's this. So we really want this to replace this outline variant with outline, I think. Let's watch as we do this. No, that is not correct. It is just not correct. What do we do with the divider theme again? 'Cause I think the divider theme was pretty close. It was outline variant. Okay, I just don't think outline variant is bright enough for this purpose, so we might need to go a shade further. We might need to... And I mean, we could go to 0.5 px, maybe. Maybe that's it, actually. Maybe that's the ticket. We'll roll with that for now. If we go dark mode, that still looks great. Yep. Cool. Alright. That's good. So we can tick that one off too. Okay. Now back home, we have two things to do here, and I think I'll call it a day after that. So we're going to go change the color of these cards here, and we're also going to put a border on the bottom of the nav bar. So for a start, we're going to go bottom. No, not app bar, navigation. Smart navigation bar. Theme data. We're not even using theme. Interesting. Well, that's kind of good. I can get rid of that. Bottom navigation bar item. We type. There's got to be. I've got to be able to theme this. Actually, I'm pretty sure that it is in the theming. So bottom navigation bar theme. That's exactly what it is. And then we're going to have a bottom navigation bar type. What are those? Shifting. What's that do? Animate and labels fade in when they're tapped. Ooh, no. I don't want that much. No, 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 no. We don't want that garish movement going on. That's not good. So yeah. I wonder if we can provide a landscape layout here. What do we got? Centered. We don't allow that mode at the moment, so That's fine. Landscape layout. I think I just get rid of that, and I think I look at this some other way. I think we have to go and perhaps define the border in here. Maybe not. Interesting. Bottom navigation bar border. I mean, where am I actually using this? Smart navigation bar. I'm using it in the smart scaffold. It expects, this just expects a widget, so it's not like it expects anything special. So we can actually return anything. So if I return a column, sounds like Golem. Smart navigation bar. So if I just wrap this in a column, and I'm just going to put a divider, height 1. See what happens. So what's crazy about this, I think it's actually almost working. I think yeah, no way. That was easier than I thought it was going to be. I am not going to complain about that. That is great. Okay, and I think we'll 0.5 this off as well. It's supposed to be just very subtle. It's pretty hard to do though. Like, so what am I doing up here? Like, smart app bar sliver. So there's this I'm using a box, a border. A border side, but the width is 1. Maybe divider renders differently. Oh, thickness. Okay, that might be the difference here. So what if, yeah, okay. I think that's the difference. Yes. Thickness, not height. So what happens if I get rid of height and just leave thickness? Yeah, that's kind of weird. Not gonna lie. Weird. Kind of weird, dude. So what if we go points? What if we just go 1 and 1? We just go like 1 and 1. It's too thick. Okay, so if we go 0.7, you know, still too thick. Okay, let's settle on 0.5 for now. Now there was the other place where we had the dividers. I don't think I was using dividers here. Yeah, these were box decorations, so it's fine. Width 0.5, vertical thickness 1. Yeah, that's not ideal that I'm like missing. This might just be a rendering quirk of being in the emulator, I think, actually. Okay. All good. Good. All right. The date under agenda when scroll down is too small. Is it? Oh, what did I say? No, I was gonna fix that card thing. Yeah, that is too small. Jeepers. Okay, oh, we'll fix that tomorrow. That's a tomorrow problem. Alright, let's finish this off. This has got more padding as well, and yeah. Ooh, notifications. Baby. What you doing? God, there's some crazy code in here. Row. Border and header sliver. Oh, that's the... yeah, if we're doing selecting. Okay. Otherwise, I just want the notifications. Here we go. Body, item count, item builder. Sliverless separated. Divider. Height. Thickness. 0.5. That's better. That is better. Yeah. Alright, well, we can finish the rest of that stuff later. Sorry. Item builder. Notification list tile widget. Tile color. Do we just want surface container here? Yeah. And so if I go to dark mode, that looks fine. Yeah, that's good. Alright, well that was an easy win. So I think it's the same with these things on the homepage. So like if I go news card sliver widget, I've got this card here, and do I define colors in here or not? No. So I can basically just go into smart theme and close others. We're going to split this and we're going to go to light theme data. I'm going to go dark theme data. And we're going to add on to the end of this. We're going to go card theme. Can't be... oh, card theme data. Rounded rectangle border. So news card sliver widget was rounded. We don't specify rounded, which is interesting. Can I specify margin? I can. Huh. I'm not sure if I want to, though. I'm not sure if I want to go that far. I mean, you can always override it in the widget itself, but I think we'll do elevation 0. I think that's fine. We always use that. I think we'll get rid of shape. And I think we'll just go color surface container and we'll go home. And we'll get rid of elevation. Save that. Dark theme as well. We'll do the same. We will just go. We'll just go card theme data. Yeah, nice. Nice, that works. Dark mode. Looks good, baby. Yeah. Still, the contrast looks a little higher on my reference pages here, but and even in dark mode it does. It's like these are slightly brighter. I'm pretty sure surface container is just white. So if I go surface container bright, surface container high. It's kind of weird. It like turns this bluey color. I'm not sure why. And again, it could just be a quirk of the... It's kind of bluey green. I don't know what it is. It's got a different tint. I wonder if it's a phone settings thing. So like if I go settings and go display. I go like colors, expanded dark theme. Interesting. Picture color mode. Use sRGB. Yeah. Let's go colors then. I don't know what that means. What the hell? No, I don't think it's I don't think it's that, man. Gonna have to test that out on my actual device, I think. See, if I just went surface, and then if I just went, okay, so if I go surface bright, surface container is the closest I've got so far. It just looks a little bit dim, so I wonder if that's actually an issue with my coloring all over. Like if I just go smart color and go surface container in night color scheme, smart gray, shade 800, you see. So I reckon like that should be round the other way. That should be 800 and that should be 700. Yeah, but the smart gray just doesn't seem... Smart gray. FF1, F2, 937. So what is actually this color in Figma? 1F2937. 1F2937. So it's actually just smart gray 500. So if I go surface container high, 500. And say if I went like this, I mean that's it. That's fucking it, right? Oh, god damn it. Okay, so I think actually I need to go surface container high, and I need to just change this to smart gray shade 500, this to like 300, and that to 800. Now who knows what that's going to change. Oh my gosh, that changes everything. Oh, surface container. And it's the same with the app bar color. Yeah, okay, alright. That's good. Whoa, that looks weird now. I reckon I gotta change that bottom sheet color to just a quick fix. Bottom sheet, account bottom sheet. We're gonna go so weird. I don't know why I've done some of this stuff. I need to play around with this. I'm going to put a note in here to do investigate why I'm doing this thing with colors and material widgets, because that's just weird. I don't like it. Alright, we have got the bottom sheet. Background color is transparent, so where the heck is it getting this? Where is it getting this color from? Is it just a general surface? Like, theme color scheme dot see if I just went surface container low, cannot provide both a color and a decoration. Okay, it's an easy one to fix. Box decoration, color theme, color scheme, surface. So that goes like that, and then we go surface container. Goes like that. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I have to see what, but if I go surface container low, that is a little better. I kind of like that. I feel like it should be a little different. Maybe not. Like, it's the same color as the app bar. So I'm just going to lock into surface container here. And we'll go preferences light and see. Yeah, okay, so that works. That's good. Alright. Fair enough. Let's move on. Back to light color scheme. I'm pretty happy with that. Like, I feel like it's still slightly... Oh no, it actually looks... It's actually pretty damn good. Maybe... Yeah. Where's my, Where the hell's my app bar line gone? Huh? Wait, what the heck has happened here? It's like it's forgotten. Divide it. It's like it's forgotten some of the things that I've done. A little weird, Flutter. Not gonna lie. Oh, now they're back. What the hell? That was strange. Okay, so I think we're actually going to go 0.5 and 0.5 for these as well. Yeah. Never ends. Preferences. Oh, it's only that. It's only the about screen. We might as well finish it off. So we've got list tile, we've got separator, we've got separator builder, which is fine. And what am I doing? I'm giving myself no room. Separator builder, divider height 0.5, thickness 0.5 as well. And the indent of 24. Boom. Beautiful. Okay. Getting there. Notifications. Looking good. Alright. Okay, that's a lot of wins today. That's very good. See if there was any other color issues. They were there. They were there. Okay, so these are all very specific color issues, which I think... Background color, incorrect shade. I think I've fixed that now. So I think we can tick that one off as well. Yeah. That's good. Cool, cool. Yeah, that one can stay there. Good. All right, let's save and commit. Day theme parity with night theme general feedback adjustments to Figma. Sure. Terrible. Alright, and that's me. See you later, folks. I'll be back tomorrow.